Let's be honest, decorating an apartment can feel like a puzzle, especially when you're dealing with limited square footage or rental restrictions. But a small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice big style. Today, we're diving into over 90, yes, 90, trendy decorating ideas to help you transform your apartment into a curated sanctuary. From quiet luxury accents to dopamine decor color pops, we've got something for every aesthetic. Let's get inspired. We're starting with the basics. If you love that clean, Pinterest-perfect look, focus on monochromatic layering. Use different textures, think boucle chairs paired with marble coffee tables, to add depth without clutter. Pro tip, use oversized floor mirrors. Not only are they trending, but they instantly double your visual space and bounce light into those dark corners. Living in a studio? No problem. We're seeing a huge shift toward zoning. Instead of walls, use open shelving units or sheer floor-to-ceiling curtains to separate your bedroom from your living room. Look for furniture that works double duty, like ottomans with hidden storage or nesting tables that tuck away when you need floor space for that morning yoga flow. Now, let's talk trends. Biophilic design is still reigning supreme. We're talking jungle vibes, hanging potholes, tall fiddle leaf figs, and terracotta accents. If you're feeling bold, try the unexpected red theory. Adding just one small, bright red item, a lamp, a vase, or a picture frame, can instantly make a room look professionally designed. It breaks the monotony and adds a high-end, gallery feel. Renters, this one is for you, peel and stick everything. From faux brick backsplashes to bold botanical wallpapers, you can take risks without losing your security deposit. And never, ever use the big overhead light. Layer your lighting. Use rechargeable LED sconces for a cordless, luxury look, and sunset lamps to create a cozy evening glow. Decorating is a marathon, not a sprint. Your apartment should be a reflection of your journey, so take these 90 ideas and make them your own. Which of these trends was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interior design inspiration. Happy decorating!